Do you ever wish you could call someone instantly without searching your contacts or without even typing their name? Let's set up speed dial on the Galaxy S25 Ultra so you can call your favorite people with just one long press. In this quick guide, we will assign a contact to a speed dial number inside the phone app. By default, number 1 is always voicemail, so we will use number 2 as the example. To do so, open the phone app. While you are in the Keypad tab, tap the three dot in the top right corner and then tap speed dial numbers. Here you will see number 1 is already assigned to voicemail, so you can assign the next number, which is number 2. If needed, you can tap it and select other numbers. Next, type a name or phone number, then tap one from the list or tap the contacts icon to pick a contact manually. That contact is now assigned to speed dial number 2. To see how it works, tap the back key. Now, long tap the number 2 on your keypad and your phone will automatically call the contact you have assigned to this speed dial number. With this feature, your most called person is just one long press away. This is super helpful for family, work contacts, or anyone you talk to often. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.